Hi, I'm Glen Southern. I am a digital sculptor based in the UK, and I run a small company that predominantly uses ZBrush as its main tool. I started with ZBrush in 1999 after getting a copy of 0.85 alpha, I think it was, or 0.87 alpha off 3D World magazine's cover, and then I very quickly got to meet the amazing Jaime Labelle, who offered me a chance to do some posters and some of the first promotional stuff for Pixologic. So I did a giant robot and I did a giant angel and used those in the magazines that were around at the time. And from there, really, my life changed. So I eventually decided to set my own company up, and that got me into what I do now, which is pretty much use ZBrush professionally all over the world, and obviously teach it. And so massive well done to Off-Air for what a wonderful piece of software. Obviously Jaime, who's changed my life in so many ways, and a massive well done to Maxon for bagging what has got to be the best software out there. So here's to another 25 years, and I hope you have a wonderful time using ZBrush, especially if you're new to being able to use it. So thank you very much.